I'm glad I haven't met any cars yet. This car wants to come past. I'm not going on this icy bit. He got stuck in the ice. I had a van behind me then. He was obviously wanting to give it some to get past on this. This is black ice here. Hi, so today you join me in Ashcombe. The plan today is to go up to Ideford Common. So once I'm up there, it'll be all off-road. We have had ice warnings this weekend. It's maybe like 2 or 3 degrees at the minute, so it was below 0 last night. And I have started from Dawlish, come towards Ashcombe, so I have already seen some ice patches. But so far so good. The last couple of weeks I've had a really terrible cold actually, and I've not done much cycling at all. Still not feeling too great, but I'm hoping today is the first day where I can kind of get a little bit of distance in and start to feel better again. I'm going to climb up out of Ashcombe now, and it's going to be maybe 100 metres of elevation. Quite a big climb this one, so can't say I'm up for it today, but if I have to walk it then I will. And once I get up to Ideford Common, it'll be lots of fun up there. Staying on the sunny side, trying to avoid the ice. So my heel's coming up now. See how much I can do before I have to step off. And it's looking very icy actually. This is quite dangerous. I'm staying in the middle to get the chippings, the loose chippings. So I'm not keen on this road at all. I'd rather not be on it, but I turn off pretty soon. Very tempting. Okay, so I was quite surprised that I did that climb out of Ashcombe, to be honest. I was feeling not very well, but it seemed to go perfectly well. Maybe it was the being worried about the ice that kind of kept me going, took my mind off being ill. The good thing about the British lanes, if you're not familiar, like every once in a while the council will put down a lot of grit onto the road. They'll just throw it down and then the cars will drive over it and kind of push it into the ground as they go over it. On these very small narrow lanes it means that the middle never gets driven over, so that's kind of where I rode up today, just to get more grip. It was I think that kind of actually really made it quite a bit easier. And this is Ideford Common, so we've got Dartmoor in the distance over here, and I didn't realise it snowed actually. But yeah, quite a bit of snow coming up here, so it should be fun going around. It's not the biggest of areas, but there's quite a few different trails that you can go on, so should be quite a fun one this. right, so if I go back up this way, it leads me to the busy road that I said was really dangerous. I don't like it, so I'm not going to go that way. Instead, I'm going downhill, a long way downhill. I think I'm about to buy myself another 100-metre climb, but I'd rather do that than go on the main road. This way I'll lead us down towards Ideford, and then I'll climb up back towards Timoth Golf Course, and I'll find my way back down towards Dawlish. I'm a little bit concerned about that because with the climb up it was very icy. I'll have to really take my time there. And I guess it applies for coming down this hill as well. This is quite a big hill now, so let's carry on, see how this one goes. It is in the sun, so hopefully it's not going to be too icy on the way down. Yeah, it's snowy and icy on the left, but looks like it's all melted on the right here. And I'm climbing back up there now. Some big old shiny patches here. I'm glad I haven't met any cars yet. This car wants to come past. I'm not going on this icy bit. And he got stuck in the ice. So I had a van behind me then. He was obviously wanting to give it some to get past on this. This is black ice here, so I shouldn't really be stood on it, but he failed to get past me once, dropped back. I heard him steaming up again, so I stopped to wait. But now I don't think I'm going to be able to get started again, so my wheel was slipping coming up. I think I'm going to give it a go, and then it's looking really icy here, so I'll do my best. I don't know if I can even get started though, really. No. Yeah, this hill's going to be tricky. My feet are slipping already. I've swapped sides with my bike, so I'm off the ice now, thankfully. So that's made me nervous for going back down to Dawlish now. I'm going to go down Ashcombe Down Road. I think that'll be the most used by cars, so hopefully it'll have been melted a little bit. It will have had some sun, and I don't know, maybe somebody would have gritted it. This is Timoth Golf Course. So this is Timoth Golf Course on Little Haldon, and I can't believe how far we can see today actually. So the nearest cliffs to us are Exmouth, and it's rare to be able to see that far, to be honest, most of the time. And then you can see like the lighter coloured rocks behind, so that's going to be the Jurassic Coast. That's where people take the hammers and then kind of break the stones open and try and find the fossils. And then just over here, so this kind of hill here, that's Ashcombe Down Road, so we're going to go over there next. I think we sort of loop around the back of it and then drop down into Dawlish. So I'm on my way back to Dawlish. Small ride today, but I think I've done well so far actually, given that I haven't been feeling very well. I've done 18 kilometres and 450 metres elevation. Not much elevation now given that I'm up high, but we're going to go back down Ashcombe Down Road And yeah, normally I tell myself to go slow on there and it's too fun to do it. I kind of end up going really fast, but today's the day, I think. Given how much ice we've seen, today's the day to go nice and slow down there. So I saw a tip online recently. In cold weather, you can wear nitrate gloves and your normal riding gloves. And my first time trying it, it's actually worked out really well. My hands are nice and warm. I could feel the cold initially, but then I guess your own heat kind of stays in there. And it's maybe like 3 degrees today. I'm in the sun now, so let's say 4 or 5 with the sun. These thin gloves wouldn't really be enough for 5 degrees, so I'd be wearing my thicker ones, but it's worked really well. It means that I've got more movement in my fingers, I'm kind of quicker on the brakes. So, really good tip. I would definitely recommend that one. Often see these things, it's not quite the case that they're factual, but this one has worked out really nicely. Alright, so onto this is the busy road again that I said I didn't like being on. Even now I don't want to be on it, but it'll get me back onto Holcombe Down Road. Lots of traffic today. Oof. Just that little bit of speed there gave me brain freeze. This is where indoor trainers seem like a really good idea. I had a Zwift bike in my basket twice last year, never quite pulled the trigger. Okay, this is the start of my descent now, so I'm gonna go nice and steady. It's looking pretty dry actually. There's a big old ice patch there where he overtook me. Same here as well, going a bit too fast for comfort. So that ride was 24 kilometers and 450 meters elevation, and like I said at the beginning, I wasn't feeling too well over this last week and a half, so I'm really pleased that I've done that amount of distance. Actually, I think it was kind of needed just to kind of help with confidence and, you know, getting back into cycling, having had quite a bad cold. Really quite a fun one as well actually. Like, I wasn't expecting the snow up on Ideford Common there. It was a little bit trickier than what I thought, especially coming up back out of Ideford. But yeah, definitely glad to be out and doing it again. If you've enjoyed this video today, then please like and subscribe. I post a new video every week, and if you'd like to follow this activity or any of the others that I do, you can follow me on Strava. My nickname is Every Rider. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.